today we can just like come up with different sections.
Okay.
Because right now it's just like, you know, just whatever. Yeah, so that's, I just have the drums. Let's see. This one. And then, is there one that you liking so far, the sound?
Maybe more like on a Rhodes.
On a Rhodes?
Yeah, or a classic like a.
Like this one?
Yep.
2, 3, 4. Alright, cool. So do another one that's a little bit more I guess like more freestyle on it or whatever. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Same progression.
Yeah. So we're still in A section, I guess.
Yeah, I'll start it the same and then I'll just like, kind of like open it up as it goes down.
Yeah, we'll still do it 8 unless you want to extend it to. Should we do 16? Or 8's fine.
We can do 16.
Okay, let's do 16.
Because then I can take my time and then you can pick and choose what you want.
Yeah, and what's cool is with this way, this workflow, like this could be 2 bars and this could be as long as ever you want.
Oh no
And
shit.
then they'll just keep like looping together and shit. Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. Man, but it not looking the same would throw me off. Felt bad. You know what I mean? Like, because they look the same and it'd be like, how
yeah. You just look right here, and then you can launch each row by this. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 3. All right, so let's do 8 measures or 16. 1, 2, 3.
What's the voice in the back?
It's from a
Yeah, what it sounds like.
no, from a like a break beat. You know how when they record break beats, you can hear like the person counting off and shit.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I was like, let me layer that in the back.
That's dope.
Like you can barely hear it, but when by itself you can hear it. But it's like a cool like feel that it adds. You want to do the bass one or
Sure.
or just what about like some? Yeah, let's fix the bass first because I'm not feeling the bass the way it is.
Wow, play when you got again?
It's exactly. But you can add, you know, like do a bass one, like the bass version of it. I'm gonna do 8 measures.
Yeah, I'll keep it real straight so that way there's, you know,
like a
the pocket is intact.
The bass level one, right? Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Maybe less hoppy, more like a almost like late, you know, a little bit lazier than the actual beat.
Okay.
It could even be like more like choppier, you know?
Just on that one part?
Yeah. Yeah. Should we try to do like
You said you wanted some like synth kind of stabby things in there?
Something like, or like a section that where it's like, stabbing, you know, or like the chords isn't so just like.
Yeah.
Okay. Try. Let's see. Let me copy the drums real quick. Stabby chords, and then we'll do maybe a bridge and like an outro kind of breakdown thing. So let's do this. Let's do 8. You think 8 measures should be good?
Yeah, 8 measures is fine.
Ready? Is that what's happening? All right. Bass?
Yeah.
That bass note when the snare hits, how it's slapping. Vocals, but like do it with the lead. Try what kind of string? Like a.
It's gotta be like a. Nah, it's gotta be like
a pad.
Nah, like a synth. It's gotta be more. Like
a synth. Okay.
Like a synthy string.
Synthy.
Like a Selena.
Oh.
Like a. Okay. You know what I mean?
Selena.
Like a synth, like string
Try it.
module.
Okay.
Not the warm up note. Yeah, put that to E flat.
What am I doing? Oh, tripping. This one?
Yeah, to E flat. There you go. Bro, you know what makes this so weird?
What?
I don't know if I can't think of a time where I had somebody engineer for me. Like, it makes it really weird. Where like I just have to play. You know what I'm saying?
Right? Like do something with these. Hold on a second.
Yeah, that's the thing that I found, man. Like with the iPad, even just like with like centerpiece in Keep going.
That's fucking dope, dude. Alright. I think we got a hella shit to work with though. I don't like it. Whatever you're doing. hella funny.
That's that squid boom doom squeak.
No fucking computer, bro.
Man, right on for coming through, bro.
Oh yeah.
Fucking fun as shit, man. Appreciate you, man.
I can't wait till we do something to this, like with the vocals and
Yeah, that's just
arranging this shit. It's gonna be fun.